So I might be one of the very few people who are excited about this, but I pre-ordered these Chipolo Point works with Google trackers. This is a bundle, and I ordered them about a year ago, and they finally arrived. And I think this is a really nice touch. They added a 20% discount on more of them. I think this is probably partly a way to apologize for Google and Apple taking so long to figure this out. But I wanted to let anyone know who has one of these comings that they should probably expect a 20% off more. So maybe just buy one and order more if you like them. Here's a little apology card. Things didn't go as planned. Thank you for your patience. And let's open these up. Okay, so I'm not sure which one is which. If you look at the packaging, Chipolo 1 Point white works with Android, which is going to be awesome. There's going to be lots of Android phones equipped with this. So right now I'm using the Samsung trackers, and this should hopefully help and make it so we can find our stuff better, and I don't have to rely on the Samsung app anymore. Which I can actually use the Samsung to find anything. I had to use my tablet to be able to locate it on the map. So I'm just going to destroy this packaging. Here's the first one. It tells you to press your Chipolo and place it next to your phone. Wait for the pop-up. And this video is just going to be an unboxing, and I will get them set up afterwards. And maybe we'll try one of them after. So this one's the tag, and it's pretty basic. Just a tag. There's a hole here for your key ring. So there's number one. Let's see what's next in this bundle. Be nice if packaging was a little easier to open, but just tear it apart. I've been waiting for these so long, and I'm so excited to see what's in here. Same thing, place it next to your phone, wait for the pop-up. That's the only instructions that are in here. There's a nice little styrofoam. Oh, look, there's actually something else back here. Let's see what this says. Chipolo 1 Point. And it gives you instructions to replace the battery. Warranty, basic features. After setup, you can locate your Chipolo in the Find My app. Okay, so there's the number one. I actually pressed it. It did automatically connect. But for now, we'll skip that. And let's see what's last in this bundle. This is the wallet finder. And I'm also going to be getting the Pebble Bee version, so I'll do another video kind of letting you know which one's better. Oh, hey, look at that. 50% off when you have to renew it. So this one isn't rechargeable. It looks like 2 years after you register, you can get another one of these for 50% off. The Pebble Bee are rechargeable, so I'm excited to try them. This is pretty thin. There's a little hole right here for a lanyard. See, I didn't see a lanyard included. Instructions, same instructions. Yeah, that's unfortunate they're not a lanyard, but at least you can put it on a lanyard if you want to. I guess it doesn't really matter because I'm going to be putting it in my wallet. So here are the new Chipolo points. They look pretty similar to the other Chipolos, and that's a decently thin tracker card. So hopefully, if anyone's waiting for these or excited about the new Google Find My network, this is a little unboxing video, and I did test pressing them, and it did pop right up on my Android phone. So I'll do a little more detailed comparison once I get the Pebble Bees. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you're interested, and hopefully we'll have this whole Google network sorted out, and it'll be great for anyone with an Android phone.